That's my pen collection. Out of 4 of them we have Parker, Pierre Cardin, one more time Pierre Cardin, and I'm not sure what is that. But we will see with Google photo mode. That's not important. We will begin with the first one. The first one is my everyday one. That's my pen, like I like to say it, to name it, because this thing was maybe 2 to 5 euros. It was very cheap. There is a leak, but that's not important. Sometimes I get it to the university, so I can write with it. This one can be put like that because it falls down. You can see it. It's pretty much a basic one, but that's not important. We will go to our next one. I'm not sure about the price, so don't ask me. Now we will look at Pierre Cardin, part 1. This is the one. So yeah, I see it. It's a chrome one, bronze, no bronze one, silver one. I'm not sure if it's real silver, but this is a high quality pen. I don't mean a perfect pen, that it's very expensive or something like that, but for everything that you want to sign, like documents, or for everyday work, I think it's perfect. It's a clean design. Here you have the Pierre Cardin logo. That's my second pen. I hope you appreciate it. It's a beautiful one. I personally like it very much. And like I said, the details are very beautiful. We'll go to our third pen. The third one is also Pierre Cardin. If you ask me what for a pen it is, I have actually no idea. So that's a normal pen, or maybe most of you will say like that. It's not, I know it's pretty much different from the others, but yeah, I like it because it's very good mixture from those two, because they are the same, but that is more practical. You can write down some notes, you can go to university with it to write the whole plan or something like that, and with this you can make your signature under the documents when you buy a car, when you sign a contract, when you sell your wife, or you want to go out on a Tinder date. It's a chrome one. You need to rotate this part to open it and to rotate it backwards to close it. If you rotate it too much, you open this compartment and you will break it, like me. But because I'm a big man, I know how to repair, or at least I think so. That's why I won't play anymore with it, and we'll go to the last one. The last one is a premium one. If you think it's thousands of dollars, you're pretty much wrong. That's Parker. Parker are very famous into the pen world. It's heavier from the others, but it's cleaner. It's a clean design, like a rock, like a mineral or something like that, with silver accent, and I like it because, like I said, it's the premium one. If you go, like I said, on a date or to buy a car with this one you can sign a bra or something like this to your fans. It's a special one. I think because it's very sharp, like this. Wait a minute, because I broke it. If it's very sharp, and you can make a tattoo to yourself. But I won't do it because it was a gift from, I think, my family. And if I break it, my father would So that's why I won't play anymore with it. It has a case, a better one than my iPhone. There's a paper in it where you can practice, or at least I'm so dumb that I think it can be used for that. Like I said, this pen is perfect for autographs and such a thing, because you can carry it with yourself. If you get this one, like you saw earlier, there is no case. You need to get it in your pants, and when you sit in your Rolls Royce, Bugatti or taxi, you can pretty much break it if it's in your back pocket and you're... That's why I would prefer not to play with it. That was pretty much everything. I hope you liked this video and leave a like.